Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Tech for Gamers. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can optimize the graphic settings on the Overwatch 2 game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Overwatch 2 game on your device, and after logging in, you will be taken into your home page. From here, if you wish to optimize your graphic settings, click on the gear icon at the top right corner. Now from the menu page, just click on Options, and now you will be taken into the video settings right away. Here, first you can choose your graphics API as well as your GPU, and you can choose your display mode as well as aspect ratio. Now underneath you will see the field of view as well as various other video settings. Now make sure the highest frame rate is selected for smoother performance, and if you notice any screen tears, you will also need to turn on VSync. Now go into the graphics quality option, and here you can find the preset. You can try using the Epic or the Ultra preset first if your device supports it. You can try switching between the various upscaling options as well. And now within the texture as well as various other qualities, first try using the highest preset that is available. You can then apply your changes, and now just go back and see how these settings feel within your game. If your game is running just smoothly, then you don't need to make any more changes. Otherwise, go back to the graphic settings, and now you will need to try reducing each of the presets by one step. By following this pattern, you can find the optimal balance of performance and quality for your gameplay within your device. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to optimize the graphic settings on the Overwatch 2 game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.